HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It refers to the system or infrastructure within a building that controls the entire indoor climate, including temperature, humidity, air quality, and ventilation. HVAC or HVAC systems play a critical role in facilities management as they are responsible for creating a comfortable and healthy environment for building occupants. Here is a breakdown of each component of HVAC. The heating component of HVAC is responsible for providing warmth to the indoor environment during colder periods. It typically involves the use of furnaces, boilers, heat pumps, or electric heaters to raise the temperature to a comfortable level. Ventilation. Ventilation is the process of supplying fresh air to the indoor space while removing stale air, odor, and contaminants. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining good indoor air quality and preventing the buildup of harmful substances. It involves the use of fans, ductwork, and air handling units to distribute and circulate air throughout the building. Air conditioning. The air conditioning component of HVAC is responsible for cooling and dehumidifying the indoor space during warmer periods. It involves the use of air conditioning units, chillers, or heat pumps to extract heat from the indoor air and provide cool air in return. Air conditioning also helps control humidity levels to ensure comfort and prevent moisture-related issues. The key aspects of HVAC in facility management includes installation and upgrades. Facility managers oversee the installation, maintenance, and upgrade of HVAC systems. This includes working with contractors, ensuring compliance with building codes and regulations, and managing the installation process. Energy efficiency. Facility managers focus on optimizing energy efficiency within HVAC systems to reduce energy consumption and lower operational costs. This includes the use of energy efficient equipment, implementing control systems, and regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. Preventive maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the proper functioning and longevity of HVAC systems. Facility managers schedule routine inspections, filter changes, cleaning, and maintenance tasks to identify and address potential issues before they become major problems. Temperature and climate control. Facility managers monitor and adjust HVAC systems to maintain appropriate temperature and climate conditions throughout the building. This may involve setting temperature set points, scheduling heating and cooling cycles, and responding to occupant needs and comfort requirements. Indoor air quality. Facility managers are responsible for ensuring good indoor air quality by managing ventilation rates, filtration systems, and pollution control measures. This includes regular inspections, filter replacements, and addressing air quality concerns. Compliance and regulations. HVAC systems must comply with relevant codes, regulations, and environmental standards. Facility managers ensure that the HVAC systems meet these requirements and maintain proper documentation to demonstrate compliance. Emergency response. Facility managers are prepared to respond to HVAC emergencies such as system failures, leaks, or malfunctions. They establish protocols and coordinate with contractors or service providers to quickly address and restore HVAC functionality. Hey, join our thriving community by hitting that subscribe button now. Unlock the secrets to seamless operations, expert facility management tips, and game-changing secrets. Stay ahead in the game and elevate your organization to a new heights. Don't miss out on our exclusive content. Subscribe today and let's embark on this journey together.